For those of y'all who don't know, we built this whole entire chicken run out of pallets and then covered it in chicken wire. So cats and coons and possums and other animals can't get in, and the chickens can't get out. We also put hawk netting over it, so we can walk around under the hawk netting. It'll keep the hawks from getting in. And we built this door here, the screen door, as I call it. As you can see, it's just 4 pieces of wood. Well, 5 pieces of wood. There's some chicken wire. Anyway, you just flip these over like this, and then we take these carabiners, one there and one down below. We don't need one up here because this keeps it nice and tight, and this down here will keep animals from prying it open and trying to get in through the bottom of the door. I have to redo my, oh, there we go, my latch here. Yeah, I have to redo my latch a little bit. I may have to put a piece of wood underneath this piece here to bring it out more. So if I can bring it out more, it'll make this a little bit more level or even to where it'll flush, and then I can. Anyway, that's it. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my videos.